why I'm in the house is wrong. The missing word you forgot. You often hear people say, I'm in the house, AM, and we are going to look at why it is wrong. And we are going to look at the missing word you forgot, the word that is always omitted, which is why it is wrong. Hello and welcome to English Classes Online, the place where you learn to speak and write good English with confidence and clarity. Today we are starting a helpful new series where we correct common grammar mistakes people make on social media so that you can avoid them and express yourself more fluently both online and in real life. Let's begin with one of the most frequent mistakes I see. People writing or saying things like, I'm in the house, I'm at work, I'm coming. Now, here is the truth. These sentences are all wrong. They are missing something very important. What is the problem? The word am is a verb. It is the first person singular form of the verb to be. But here is the key. Am cannot stand on its own. It always needs a subject, and that subject is I. So instead of saying, I'm in the house, you should say, I am in the house or I am in the house. Every sentence in English must have a subject. And that is why the structure of an English sentence, which is a statement or a declarative sentence, should start with a subject. So you have SV, I am, or I can, or I write. All right? But then when you have SVO, which is subject, verb, object, you have something like I play football, I write novels. So if you say I'm hungry, people will ask who is hungry. That's why we say I am hungry or I am hungry. All right? Because the inclusion of that subject is very important. The omission of the subject makes the sentence wrong. Here are a few more correct examples. I am coming. I am ready. I am at work. Or in short form, you can say I am coming. I am ready. I am at work. So you can see that these examples form complete sentences because I is included and I begins the sentence. So when you remove I and you say or write I'm coming, it is wrong. I'm ready is wrong. I'm at work is wrong. But when you include the I, which is the subject, that makes the sentence a complete sentence. So please remember this rule. Never begin a sentence with just am. Always say I am or I am. All right? So let's fix a few wrong examples together. Number one, it is wrong to say I'm happy today. The correct thing is I am happy today or I am happy today. Example 2, it is wrong to say I'm living now. The right thing is I am living now or I am living now. Example 3, I'm at the station is wrong. I am at the station is correct. All right? So when you look at this, the simple thing that makes the sentences we have looked at incorrect is the omission of the subject. So we can say that the omission of the subject is one of the major mistakes, one of the most frequently made mistakes that you will find on social media, okay? Especially that verb am, using it to begin a sentence. I'm a writer, I'm a content creator, I'm home, I'm at the gym, I'm this, I'm that. So you find people using am to begin a sentence, and with what we have learned in this video, it is wrong to do so. Always include the subject I am, or I am. Now it's your turn. Write one correct sentence in the comments using I am or I. So I will be checking and giving you feedback. And if you've ever made this mistake, don't worry. That's exactly why we are here, to learn, to grow, and to improve. And that's how it has been in today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share it with someone who types I'm in the house. Thanks for watching English classes online, and keep learning, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson.